Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and listen to Audible sleep tracks, and I'm going to show you how to do this on computer and on mobile. So, if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. I've accessed Audible through Google Chrome and I've signed into my account. Come up here to browse and then go down to Audible Sleep. And then from there it says Audible Sleep, gives you some more information, some of their recommended titles. And then from there, you can scroll all the way down. And these Audible sleep tracks are actually included on your subscription, just like podcasts are as well. You don't have to pay for extra podcasts. So I'm going to click into this one right here, Audible Sleep Soundscapes. And then from there, we can see who it's by. It is a podcast. You can see the different ratings. You've got the play option. You can follow this account for more, or you've got some different options right here, like view all episodes. I'm going to click in there. And then I'm going to select this one, Yellowstone National Park in winter. And basically, if you want to add this to your account, to your library, so you can listen to it in the future or maybe when you're going to bed, let's just go and press Add to Library. And if you want to access this track, you can come up here to the library section, or you can just press this button. And now we've accessed the library. And this is in the All section, but you can go to audiobooks, podcasts, wishlist, collections, authors. I'd imagine this is in the podcast section as well. And when you want to start listening to this audiobook, I would click in here and then come up to the orange play button, and that's going to play the Audible sleep track there. And this sort of listening window gives you the option to scroll through. You can go back 30 seconds, forward 30 seconds. You can press play or pause. You can actually access different episodes from in here as well. If you don't like this particular sleep track, you can come to this one and it will track this. So guys, I've just switched over to my mobile device and I'm on the Audible mobile app. And basically, if you want to access the Audible sleep tracks, come down on the bottom row, there's Home, Library, and then Discover. Press Discover. If you come up here to the top right, you can see the search magnifying glass. Click that button and then type in Audible Sleep. Press Search. And now we've got so many sleep tracks to actually pick from. I'm going to press Bedtime Stories. And then from there, we can actually see Audible Original, Audible Sleep, Bedtime Stories. You've got the play, follow, or view all episodes options in the middle of the screen. I'm going to go to view all episodes. And then down here, I'm going to pick the perfect swing. I'm going to press play. I'm actually going to click into Audible Sleep right here. And we're going to see many, many different episodes by the Audible Sleep account. I'm going to just select one at random, Meditation for Sagittarius. Click in there. And then when you actually want to add it to your library, what you can do is press Add to Library button. And then view in library, and then you need to refresh, and you can see there's the track right there. And when you want to actually download the track, you can see on the left-hand side of Meditation for Sagittarius is the artwork, but it's slightly grayed out, and then it has a black triangle, and inside the triangle is the download, sort of downwards pointing arrow white icon. Anyway, you want to select that download button, and then it's going to start downloading the Audible sleep track. So guys, now that the download has completed, you can go over to the right-hand side. There's actually the play button. Press that. And I've just pressed the pause button on the right-hand side, the bottom right. To actually open up the listening window to give you more options, press the text at the bottom that says Meditation for Sagittarius. And that's going to open up the artwork. There's a scroller where you can scroll to specific sections of the sleep track. You've got a minus 30 seconds button, a pause button or play button, and then forward 30 seconds button. You've also got different options for speed, timers, clips, etc. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe on this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.